Hello everyone. So in this section, we will be learning about how to implement the concept of multi-threading using the runnable interface. That is the second method with which we can create multiple threads and execute it. So before working on to the multiple threads, let's just check it out how to create a single thread with the help of by using, or we can say that by using the runnable interface. So firstly, I will be using the same source file and I will be creating a class over here. So I'll be creating class test 101 and this class will be actually implementing runnable interface. So this has implemented the runnable interface. So we all know that if we are implementing an interface, we definitely need to implement all the methods that has been present in a particular interface, because interface has abstract method, so we need to implement them and define them, give them a particular definition, right? Otherwise our class will become an abstract class. So the same concept applies here as well. Here we have the runnable interface and we have to implement the method which has been declared in this interface. Let's just implement that. So we have add unimplemented methods over here. I will be just implementing it. So if you can see, I have mentioned that here it is the run method that has been defined. I have to define it, right? Run method, as we discussed in the previous video as well, is used to define the working of the thread. So here I will be just defining the working of the thread, that is I will be telling it to say hello world for 5 times. Okay, so this is the task which I have defined of the thread. Now let's just create the thread object. Simple, we have already done that. Thread 1 is equal to new thread. Okay, then again thread 1 dot start. That's not over here. It means that thread 1 object cannot access the start method here. What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is this runnable interface. If we can check it out, see, it is the runnable interface, but this runnable interface has only one method declared in it, that is the run method. This runnable interface do not have any other method in it. Therefore, this is the reason why we are not able to call the start method. Why? Because start method is present in the thread class. So now how to achieve that? How to call the start method so that the run method can be invoked? Will it get invoked directly? No, not at all. Now what we have to do, I will just create a thread class object. Thread t1 is equal to new thread. Okay. I have created this thread class t1. Okay. Now I will pass this my object. This was my object. I will pass this object as into the parameter over here to the thread class, making it clear that I have to apply all the methods onto this thread as well. So how we are going to do that? I have passed this thread object over here. Now this will be using in this. Therefore now I will say here t1 dot start method. This is how we are going to do that. See, and now my hello world program has been executed 5 times. This is how the runnable interface is get implemented, and this is how we can achieve multi-threading, or we can create a single thread with the help of the runnable interface. Hope you guys understand this. Thank you very much.